I want to make you these very quick raspberry double-decker chocolates. They are divine and you only need 4 ingredients. I've got white chocolate and milk chocolate, but you could also use some dark chocolate if you like. Sure, our chocolate stays quite shiny. I'm going to add some coconut oil, just a splash into each, and a little in the milk chocolate, and then give that a stir so it's incorporated nicely. Just like that. And you can already see how shiny it becomes. And I'll give the white chocolate a stir too. And they're ready to go. Now, to make our little chocolates, there are a few ways of doing this. If you have a silicone mould, you don't need to use these patty pans. I don't have one, so patty pans are the way to go. In fact, I think they look quite pretty with these patty pans. And have a look at these plump raspberries. They really are my favourite berry of all time. And with a recipe like this, it's really important to use fresh berries. If you use the frozen ones, they will become a little bit too soggy. So we want these to stay nice and plump. So squish in our plump raspberries into each patty pan. Great, that's 1 full punnet. Now I like to start with the white chocolate. After I've filled these halfway up with the white chocolate, they go into the fridge for about 5 minutes or until that white chocolate just sets, and then we can add the milk chocolate. Okay, that white chocolate has just set, so now onto the milk chocolate, and we just want to drizzle that over the top to completely cover that white chocolate, and then they go back into the fridge until they're just set. All right, our raspberry chocolates have set perfectly, and I'm just going to take them out of their little patty pans. If I was transporting these to a picnic, I would just leave them in these little patty pans and then take them off when I get there because they just store nicely in them. But you do eventually want to take them off because have a look at that. Double-decker, white chocolate, milk chocolate, and the little raspberry poking out. They are so cute, lots of fun. Get the kids involved. I love the idea of melting that chocolate and then the process of just patiently waiting for each layer to set. And as you can see, the results are perfect. I'm gonna have a little taste. Of course, as we know, berries and chocolate work so well together, but it's the tartness of it that goes with the sweetness. Just the best thing ever. I love this treat. Store them in the fridge and I can assure you they won't last long at all.